And so we had Valerie and Kurt and Bob, and behind here is Steve, was part of our crew on the lake. A couple here, and then myself and Matt Kurtika and Mike and Ed were part of the group as well. Okay. And I think, did we miss anybody there, or was that everybody that was with us?
Who was the other? There was another woman on the boat.
Valerie.
Yeah.
She's in the other picture.
Was she in the other picture?
That was Kurt.
Oh, Valerie?
That's in the other picture.
Oh, there
That
it
was
is.
her
Oh,
back
there
there.
she is.
Uh-huh.
Bundled up.
Yeah. And,
Oh,
and
fun.
then these are not as clear. I took these from my kayak, and I had it in a
Plastic bag.
Waterproof. You know, I didn't want to drop my phone in, so it's a little bit foggy here. But it was really interesting to be there. I couldn't hear everything that was going on, but I could see it all. You know, probably better than anybody else. Taking measurements. Here's Mike out in his boat, just in case we sunk, he was there to save us. And Kurt was our pilot, so this is Ed's boat that he loaned us.